Welcome to a Starlight the Clown balloon tutorial. Let's start with a balloon that's inflated until there are about 6 inches of tail remaining. And tie it. First thing we're going to do is a tulip twist. If you haven't seen my skills video, go check that out. And push it right in there. And twist. There's your tulip twist. Now, another bubble about the same size. Oops. I need to let you see it, don't I? There we go. Long. I'm going to want a 3-inch bubble there. And a 1-inch bubble. And another 3-inch bubble. 1. And finally a third 3-inch bubble. There we go. We're going to connect that right here so that those 5 bubbles come together and loop. And we're going to pass that little tulip twist right in between so that it looks like that. Now, I'm going to twist these ears with little pinch twists. If you haven't seen my skills video, go check it out. Oh, just pinch twist, just like that. Until it looks like a little pig's head. This is a pig. Now, for the body, we'll need 4 bubbles, all of the same length. Right? So we looped around just like we did before, but with 4 bubbles of the same length. Now, those are the arms and legs. Now, we twist it right at the bottom of the legs, and we impress that right there into the bottom of the leg. Then, very quickly, we grab and twist the next part, the tip of the front of his belly, right around the neck. Pull that through. You might need more like 7 or 8 inches off the wing to make sure you've got enough. This is a shape to practice for sure. Turn them around, and there you got a teddy pig. And if you want it to be a teddy bear instead of a teddy pig, all you have to do is not do the tulip twist at the beginning and twist the ears in the other direction.